Hi everyone, in this video I would like to show how you can change the default music service that your Google Assistant uses. Please note the fact that we highly recommend that you update your Android to its latest version in prior of doing anything. So let's go ahead and start. This time I'll open up the Google Assistant settings via Google Assistant. So just using my voice. So let me just go ahead and start. Hey Google. Open up Google Assistant settings.
Opening Assistant.
And as you can see, we have successfully entered the Google Assistant settings section. Here, look for the music category, go for it. And here you are able to choose the default music provider service. So at the moment, I have only YouTube Music set up for my phone, but once you have like multiple streaming and music services and music providers apps present on your phone, you will be able to choose from them just like that, just by switching and choosing the service that you would like to stick with. So that was it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and bye bye.